It's time for Access the Experts from the University of Nebraska at Omaha with your host, Brandon Axelmint.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Access the Experts on News Channel Nebraska, where every Tuesday and Thursday, University of Nebraska at Omaha faculty members answer today's questions facing our state. Today we have the pleasure of hearing from Dr. Christine Cutucache, who is the director of UNO's STEM Trail Center. So Dr. Cutucache, today's question is, what progress has been made in growing our STEM workforce in Nebraska?
Thank you for the question, Brandon. STEM professions are everywhere, even though some of the highest in-demand jobs that we see and read about include data scientists, engineers, and computer science professionals. But allied health professions and teachers are always in demand. Teachers really prepare us from pre-K through our profession to include reskilling, connecting us with resources, and helping to expand our networks. So they're really the bedrock of any economy. So reflectively, over the past 5 years, Nebraska has ranked 6th in the nation overall, and 2nd and 4th for high school graduation rates, according to the U.S. News and World Report. However, even though we've been in that top 10 rating, we're 20th for opportunity. The implementation of the Math Readiness Project helps to level the playing field a bit for Nebraska, since mathematics preparation and performance is directly tied to opportunity across STEM disciplines after high school. Further, the media coverage that Nebraska has invested in profiling the H3 jobs has really helped to raise awareness for STEM professionals as well, including teachers. Now, the past STEM workforce statistics certainly don't equate to future opportunities, but what we do know is that a well-prepared STEM workforce will contribute to innovation and really create small businesses. And small businesses are really what Nebraska and the U.S. are built upon. The Blueprint Nebraska project has further worked to identify and document existing challenges related to the Nebraska economy, and they've suggested some changes to improve our overall standing. So Blueprint Nebraska has said that while innovation requires technical know-how and passionate entrepreneurs, Nebraska currently ranks 36th in terms of STEM college graduates and 25th for new entrepreneurs. It becomes even more startling when we hear this statistic. Nebraska has one of the lowest startup densities in the nation. Now, as a STEM professional and entrepreneur myself, I know firsthand of the struggle to find childcare for children younger than school age in Nebraska. So if we want to expand our professional STEM individuals, we really need to bolster our early childhood education pipeline and reduce the brain drain that our state's been experiencing. We can all agree that it's imperative to keep top talent in our state, especially to grow and build more small businesses. And STEM professionals are really well poised to do that. In Nebraska, we have a high density of Fortune 500 companies that were really built upon STEM expertise. We have cattle geneticists working every day to ensure thriving livestock and exports for our state. And we have a vast transportation industry that also relies on the same types of mathematical calculations covered in STEM disciplines. In short, we are surrounded by STEM professionals, but we still have work to do to retain talent and ensure the good life for all Nebraskans. Thanks again, Brandon.
Well, thank you, Dr. Cutucache, for sharing your expertise on the topic. For our viewers at home, we want you to interact with UNO's experts, so if you have a question you want answered, submit it at newschannelnebraska.com.
Access the Experts, presented by the University of Nebraska at Omaha. If you have questions, submit them on our website. Then join us every Tuesday and Thursdays at 6:46 a.m. and p.m. while we answer your questions.